but your cat, this is the catalytic converter, that's what the money is. So they're gonna have a hard time doing it.
Yes, mambo vipi ladies and gentlemen, karibuni ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. Leo niko hapa ndani ya Lakewood nikiangazia makala ya umechanic, yeah? You know, in America we always think it's a good place, hakuna wizi, but today kuna kitu ambayo inaibiwa sana sana kwa gari ya Prius, and today I have a Prius car here. Ndaonesha nini huwa inaibiwa na tutakuwa tunazungumza pale na mechanic mmoja. Niko ndani ya Midas Auto Service Experts. You know, wako hapa Lakewood. There is something we call Catalytic Converter. I don't know if yako imeibiwa, sijui issue kama yako imeibiwa. Utakuwa unatuambia hapo kwenye comment section, eh? Tumekuwa ni kama Ngara. You know, in Ngara I used to park my car. Unapata hizi miguu zimetolewa. Sasa ni the same na mtu asiyesema America kuna wizi. Kuna wizi. Kuna wizi na I'm not complaining. I'm just saying as is, you know. This is my wife's car. Paliondolewa ile kitu ambayo inaitwa converter. Ile ni ile kitu ambayo inafanya gari kuwe silence, yeah? You know, silencer, it's like a silencer. So ikitolewa inaguruma kama hiyo yenye imepita. Unasikia hiyo brrrr. Sasa zaidi ya hiyo like 8 times. Yeah, before we continue, please make sure you subscribe and click that bell so that anytime tunakuletea new content unakuwa wa kwanza kuona. Ama namna gani? So it's very I don't know how it happened. Tumepaka gari ndani ya compound pale tunaishi. Then asubuhi kuamka unawasha gari unasikia is it my car or not? Inaguruma kama ile inaitwa nini? Zile gari Subaru huku zinaitwa Subaru. Yeah? So we're like, what's not happening? Yeah, but anyhow, hali inakuwa shwari sana. Hapa hivi nimetembea mazi. I've gone far and wide to just look for somebody who can fix our converter. Tumesha fix converter. Sasa ni ile kitu inawekwa ya kuzuia isiibiwe. But even the guys who made this thing, man, ndakuonesha vile inafanana alafu tuone inakuwa vipi. The guys who made that thing walijenga tu inafunika one side and the other end. So katikati inawachwa. Those guys, they come with a hacksaw. Ya steamer. Grrr, ishaenda. So you park your car wherever you parked and you're like, what's happening to my silent car? Yeah, gari yako ni ya 2020, 2022, 2020, 2020, but inaguruma kama imewekwa safari rari. It's because of that catalytic converter, and imekuwa ni issue ambayo imekuwa ikisumbua wakazi na wakaaji wa mjini Seattle. Yeah, unajua America tunasemanga hakuna wizi, it's the land of my friend. Shida ni ile moja. Yeah? So, and guys have been saying, hey Gary, you always praise America. Leo nakuja na ile side ile yenye si nzuri kidogo ya America, you know. So what happens when that thing gets stolen? You'll go to the police, you'll report to the police, they will not respond to you. They will tell you go to your landlord. You go to your landlord, they tell you go to the police. And I believe it's because wamesema they've passed recently another law here ya kwamba hizi makosa ndogo hazitakuwa zinachunguzwa. So unapata kama catalytic, which is 2,700 to fix it. Yeah? Shilingi moja karibu 1,300 kufix hiyo kitu. Na saizi kutengeneza hapa hiyo niambiwa ni $200. Yeah, so another 20,000. Yeah? It's because serikali sijui kama ni serikali ya America, but serikali hapa imesema hizi vitu ndogo haitakuwa inafuata, kama for example wizi wa hiyo converter, wizi wa kuingia supermarket unachukua vitu vya viwango ya chini ya 1,000 hautashikwa. Na reason walikuwa nasema it's because imekuwa ikiaffect hii upande mwingine wa watu ambao ni wa rangi yetu. So ikakuwa ni kwamba wasiwa target kwa sababu inaonekana ni yao ndio the only target. So inakuwa ni issue kubwa sana, na mimi leo nimetembea, I've gone far and wide to just look for a person who can fix my car here, my wife's car. na eventually nikatembea nikakuja nikauliza hapa Midas auto service express, you know, and they told me they can do it, and I was like, "Fuchs, let me just go ahead and do it, manze." And then another thing hapa hivi hakuna kubagain bana. Ukishaambia bei ni 200 ni 200, hakuna kusema riu modo wa moshiri. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. Kitu unalipia bei ambayo imeambiwa. So na tutakuwa tunaona moja kwa moja wakitengeneza it's like they're putting a cover, but jamaa mmoja ameniambia hata uweke cover, mtu mwenye anajua kuiba hiyo kitu, hata hiyo cover anajua kuchomoa. So I don't know what will happen. I don't know if kama uko America na hiyo converter yako imeibiwa, how you felt. Yeah, me I really felt terrible because you know, hiyo ni pesa huko umebudgetia bana. Okay, the insurance pays a small amount. My wife told me it was 27, something like 2,700. We paid 700 out of pocket. Now we are adding 200 more to put the cover on. So it's something ambayo ni issue ambayo si rahisi, lakini tutafanya nini? Lazima tuishi ama namna gani? So ndani ya comment niambie kama umekuwa na issue, umeibiwa hiyo converter, how you felt, na what you did to protect your cover not being stolen again. Kuna vitu ambazo huwezi zuia. Hapa apartments za America hakuna gate, hakuna mbwa kali. So hakuna kitu unaweza fanya. Unaweka gari yako pale, kila mtu anaweka, watu wengine wenye si wa estate yenu wanakuja wanaingia hapo ndani. So kuchomoa wanachomoa tu, hakuna mtu anawauliza, which is not a good thing. Hapo ndio one of the downside ya bila gate na mbwa kali. So tutakuwa nasubiri hapa hivi. I'll be taking some few videos hapa hivi muone pia pale niko, so that muweze kuelewa. Let me get that thing so I show you how it looks like.
Where it's on there pretty good, but it might rattle, or we could cut this whole plate off.
You wanna cut that plate off or what?
Or just leave it like this. It's up to you. I would leave it like this, and then if you get rattled later on, it's on there pretty damn good. But otherwise, we'd have to cut your shit if you want to do that. So it's up to you.
Like a specific one for Prius.
They do make them. They do make them. This is aftermarket though. This isn't what was supposed to come with it.
Oh,
so this doesn't fit yours. But they do make one. The one that's built for this car, it goes all the way back to here.
Oh.
And it hooks onto these, but this is, you got just a different one is all.
Oh, so this is not like the real one for this car.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so they'll still be able to take like your resonator and stuff, but your cat, this is the catalytic converter, that's what the money is. So they're gonna have a hard time doing it. So honestly, if they can cut through this, they're just gonna have to zip, and then they'll cut it out still.
The same way you'll do. So wow, does it make any difference to have that?
Yeah, it's a big deterrent, you know. It's a big deterrent.
Hola. Me tengo un carrito que es un Hondita que ya no me quiero prender.
¿Sabes qué? Con este Romero. Él habla español también.
Hola.
¿Dónde se quedó eso?
Ahí en la ver.
¿No arranca acá? ¿No hace nada?
Quiere prender, pero
So guys, that's the catalytic converter, and mweka mabati ya juu, the case that will hold it, but I know thieves can cut that, you know. Yeah, in mbwembwe. And there is this whole thing is what helps the noise from
You're not gonna need it on this side. I thought you was gonna need it on this side, but you're not. This is the only side you're gonna need right there. Fucking cool. Okay, can you move it?
Can you just screw it up in there?
Oh, come on. Romeo!
Yeah, you had it.
Okay, never mind.
No problem, and thank you for the phone call. No?
A lot of pressure on it. It's
Okay.
a little compressed. So you're not gonna hear the
No.
you don't want that.
No, we don't want that. This is a silent car.
That can turn you crazy. All right, I'll pull it out for you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are done with that project. So the car is okay to go. At least now you know that if you are driving a Prius, you are driving an expensive car. Let no one cheat you that you are not driving an expensive car. Yeah? They didn't choose a Mercedes. They didn't choose a BMW. They didn't choose a Cadillac. They chose a Prius. So Prius are endangered species. Yeah. Yeah. So that's for another program. I'm gonna be telling you on the next show how you are driving in number plates that are not yours. Yeah, they steal somebody's car and then they place those plates on your car, then they take yours. You know, that's the next story. God bless you. Remember to subscribe, click that bell. Tutaonana baadaye. God bless you.